Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you my latest craft haul which is purchased in the store called Hobbycraft from the London, UK. This store is located in the Romford area in the London, and I thoroughly enjoyed shopping in the craft store. I have recently moved into London and this is my first crafting haul. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the beautiful collection of yarns which I picked up first, and there are so many beautiful varieties of yarns. Here people love to do the stitching work, knitting work, do the crochet work, so they have beautiful range of the yarns here, and I bought in lovely colors in yellow, green, red, pink and blue color. This is super soft, and if you want in small sizes, this is also available in 25 grams. So you can make tassels or pom-poms using these beautiful colors. I am surely coming with some beautiful Diwali decorative idea using these yarns. Then the next thing is these beautiful ribbons, which I thought these are little different and unique. This is beautiful glitter ribbon, which is actually the organza ribbon having little glitter into this, and you can create cards, scrapbooks, bookmarks to decorate using this ribbon. And this is the beautiful satin cum net ribbon, which is very smooth and having 1 inch width, so you can create nice bows to decorate your cards. With the same quality, I bought in teal blue color. I loved this shade as well, and this won my heart. See how gorgeous this is looking. The net design having some embroidery work. You can create fringes and frills like this to create flowers or to create small teeny dress for the dolls. So this is all about the laces and ribbons. Then I bought these pencils. This is the set of 4. These are simple pencils, but I'm going to use this in different manner, not as a pencil. So you have to wait for my future videos. And then I got these highlighter pens which has the dual tip. One is the brush pen and other one is having double tone tips, and the pack contains 4 pastel shades, that is pink, light green, light blue and lilac purple. So pretty. So already written here the dual tones of the tips. I'm just sharing how it works. So first I'm using the brush tip and simply writing the word happy. Yes, this is working very smooth. You can do beautiful letter writing using these pens. I just love brush pens so much. And the other side is having dual tip. So you can draw or you can write or you can create different border patterns using these tips. I'm not very fluent with this dual tips. I will practice it and figure it out how you can utilize this, but I just found it little unique, so I bought the set of 4 pens. They also have in primary bright colors, but I love the pastel shades more, so I bought this. Then the next thing is these beautiful colorful bundle of the beads. These are wooden beads having some large and small sizes, some oval, some pipe kind of shapes, some flat beads. So these are mix and match. You can create danglers, hangings, jewelry, anything using these beads. Then the next thing is these ink pads, which are very helpful for the stamping or the distress work. And I bought this ink pad, which is the combination of total 15 shades. So in one pack you will get 15 shades to do your work. You can do stamping, you can do the distress work, you can do the stenciling and whatnot. So I'm just opening it for first time, and tada, how gorgeous the palette is looking, just like the eyeshadow kit. All the colors are very vibrant. Then I bought some stamping sets. I loved this set so much because this is having some London elements like the telephone booth, then underground railway line logo, here double decker bus, Big Ben. Every element is very close to my heart, so I'm going to prepare some London related things for sure. And the Christmas season is coming very soon, and in the craft stores which are in the London, they already started with the decoration of Christmas things. Lots of craft items are already arrived. So I bought this beautiful stamp set to create Christmas cards. Then also I bought this foliage stamp, which is a rubber stamp. And the most excited part is I bought these set of 4 stands which are completely unique. I bought this to create my handmade things more real. So these stands having made with love, handmade original, limited edition, just like that. So you can give your personal touch to each of your product. I'm just showing you how it looks. So just taking this colorful ink pad and taking the warm color palette, that is the orange and red ones, just dipping my stamp into this, and you will have beautiful shaded stamp design. So this is called Made by Me, and it is looking very beautiful. Can you see how crisp the design is looking? Then I'm taking the other shade palette, just wiping out with the tissue paper, and then using the blue color palette, that is the cool colors, and again stamping the same sentiment. And see how beautiful this is looking. I'm just loving the color palette so much. You can decorate your cards with these shaded effects. And now I will also show you how it looks with the black ink. So I'm just opening the package and taking the same stamp just to show you how crisp these inks can stamp on any cardstock. So in few seconds you can stamp like this. So crisp and sharp. And then also showing you how this font stamp will look. So just loading this with ink and stamping it. And tada! It is looking very pretty. You can create beautiful cards using this stamp. So this is all about inks and stamp which I have purchased from the Hobby Craft store. And they have some more ranges with different color ink pads. Then the next thing is these collection of adhesives. I bought this PVA liquid glue, which is white adhesive. Then this is the tacky glue, which is water based. Then this is the double sided paper tape. You can simply tear it very easily and use it wherever required. This is having tackiness on both the sides, and these are simple clear tapes. We usually call it sellotape in India, and the purpose of taking these tapes are to create iris cards. So I'm just coming very soon with the ideas using these tapes. And the next thing is this collection of dies, which is very near to my heart. I love using die so much. So first die is this special friend die by Gemini, but you can use any crafting die cut machine to cut these Gemini dies. Again, the next one is from Gemini called Dragonfly. I didn't have dragonfly dies till the date. I have butterfly dies but not dragon dies. And this is the new launch by Hobbycraft called Christmas Die Collection, which is a set of 4 dies. 3 dies from the Christmas tree and 1 is the star to decorate the trees. These are metal dies in thinlits form, and again you can use this in any die cut machine. I am just taking one green cardstock and I will show you how it looks. So here I am choosing this dangler ones, taking my small easy cuts machine which I bought from India and brought along with me here. So I'm just quickly die cutting it This is very handy machine and you very lightweight, so you can carry it anywhere. Now in a few seconds you can cut these beautiful designs of trees to create cards to decorate your scrapbooks, and you can just decorate these tiny bulbs using colored cardstock and you're good to go to create beautiful cards and envelopes for the Christmas decoration. So this is all about the Christmas dies by Hobbycraft. You can just decorate the top using star shape. I'm just loving this so much. Then the next thing is the Thinlit die collection by Sizzix. This is a set of 17 dies. I just can't resist myself when I saw the set of 17 dies in one pack. Though it was having around £9 of the cost, so approximately 900 rupees, but in that amount you have the thinlit frames, flowers, then foliages, handles, stems, everything in one single die. So you can create beautiful cards using these set of dies. And matching to this, I bought this something very special and unique thing by Sizzix. Again, these are the shaker jar windows. I'm just showing you how it looks. So you can coordinate the die with this shaker jar to create shaker cards, and I thought this is very unique idea and it makes our work so easy because we don't need to cut lots of layers to create shakers. You have ready shaker window, and this is a set of 6 windows. You just need to take one out. From backside it is having adhesive, so you just need to peel out the adhesive and stick it wherever required, and this coordinates with this die very perfectly. You just need to die cut out any cardstock or any other material on which you have to make the shaker, and it coordinates with this very well. Can you see? It fits perfectly. I will surely come with some tags or card ideas using this shaker jar window, and in the store they also have in circle shape, oval shape, and I think egg shape is also there with the coordinating die set. So I just love this unique thing in that store, so I bought one shape for me, and I'm going soon again when in the store, so I will share another shapes with you very soon. So this is all about the shaker die with the coordinating shaker jars. Then the next thing is this air drying white clay by Hobbycraft. This is very heavy, having 1 kg weight. This is air dry clay, and you can color this with any color medium like chalk paints, acrylic colors, poster colors, and soon I'm coming with some clay crafts using this clay. The next thing I bought from the store is these hoop art rings, and this ring is having the hanging connected with the ring itself, so you can create embroidery work or painting work and you can simply hang this on the wall. And also bought the super teeny hoop art ring, which I found very sweet and cute. This is having approximately 8 centimeter diameter. So can you imagine how tiny this is? And the bigger one is having approx 28 centimeter diameter. So very soon I'm coming with some embroidery hoop designs in my upcoming videos. Then the next thing I purchased is this dome. This is the glass dome. Inside you can decorate with the quilling patterns for the Christmas decorations or Diwali decorations. This is already having the hangings, and you can just open it like this, do your quilling work on the base, and then add some fairy lights inside this, and then just stick the dome on top of this. And they are readily available in the store, so you can just decorate these domes very easily. Then next thing I bought is this cute canvas board along with the easel stand. This is very common in India, you can find it very easily, but I just found it very cute. This is having approx 10 by 8 centimeter measurements. Then the next thing is this beautiful dragonfly punch. Again I bought the punch also, and just showing you how it works. So you just need to pass any cardstock through the punch. Just push the top button nicely, and in one go you will have the crisp dragonfly. So you can decorate your cards, scrapbooks, envelopes, bookmarks, paper bags using these dragonflies with different colors. See how cute this is looking. This is all about the punch. Then last but not the least, I bought some cardstock, because without a cardstock or papers you cannot do the craft. And I bought this beautiful pastel collection cardstock, which is the set of 20 sheets having 5 pastel shades: light blue, peach, light green, yellow and pink colors, and this is having very nice quality. I'm going to create lots of different crafts using this. And then this is the pack of 100 sheets having 80 GSM papers into this, and these are very nice primary bright colors: yellow, blue, pink, red and green. You can use this to create quilling strips and 3D origami works. And last item is this design pad. This is the 24 sheets pad, and I got only in 4 pounds, having beautiful collection of roses and some printed patterns. This is a dual side or double sided sheet, so on both sides you will have the prints, and for each print you will have the 2 designs. So you will find beautiful rose prints in one side and some printed patterns on another side. So I'm just showcasing the whole book in a flip over, and you can find this so pretty. I am right now using these papers as the backdrop for my photography, and trust me, it looks fabulous, just like the real roses. My projects are looking more natural in front of these beautiful paper packs. So that's all about my latest craft haul from Hobbycraft store. And if you want to see the store completely, I'm sure going to cover the whole store in upcoming video. You just need to comment below if you want to see the store from inside. They have huge ranges of art and craft supplies. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.